Hi, my name is Bailey and I work at Newport Apartments. I would love to take you on a tour of our one-bedroom apartment today. This is our beautiful clubhouse where we often host events for our residents. Located over here is our business center. This is where you can apply for your new apartment today. Welcome to our one-bedroom apartment. Our living rooms are large and spacious, all of which have a wood-burning fireplace. Located over here is the dining room area. Lots of windows, lots of natural lights, and we've got the door to the patio over there. Located right here is a coat closet or pantry, depending on your preference. My favorite part of our apartments is definitely the kitchen. All of our kitchens come with a refrigerator, stove, microwave, double basin sink, ice maker, dishwasher, lots of cupboard space, lots of counter space. The bathrooms in our apartments are amazing. Full tub and shower, large vanity, and of course, washer and dryer connections located in every apartment. I love the size of our bedrooms in the one-bedroom apartments. There's so much room, lots of windows, natural light, plenty of room for a king or a queen-size bed, and of course, every bedroom has a walk-in closet. Thanks for touring our one-bedroom apartment with me today. We've got a lot of really awesome amenities here at Newport, including a 10-acre lake, a playground area, a barbecue area, a fitness center, a laundromat, and a pool that's going to be opening up come summertime. Please give me a call. I would love to hear from you with any questions, thoughts, or if you're interested in an apartment, my number is 316-943-2770. I hope to hear from you soon.